To make a dog familiar with you, follow these steps. 1. Approach slowly. Approach the dog calmly and slowly. Avoid sudden movements or loud noises. 2. Use a calm voice. Speak to the dog in a gentle and reassuring tone to let them know you're not a threat. 3. Allow sniffing. Dogs often use their sense of smell to get to know someone. Extend your hand for them to sniff, but don't force it. 4. Avoid direct eye contact. In dog language, direct eye contact can be seen as confrontational. Look at the dog without staring directly into their eyes. 5. Offer treats. Giving treats can help build a positive association. Make sure the treats are safe for dogs. 6. Respect boundaries. Pay attention to the dog's body language. If they show signs of discomfort or fear, such as growling or backing away, give them space. 7. Spend time together. Spend time near the dog without forcing interactions. Reading a book or sitting quietly can help the dog get used to your presence. 8. Play and interact. Once the dog becomes more comfortable, engage in gentle play or offer toys to build a bond. 9. Be patient. Building familiarity with a dog can take time, especially if they've had previous negative experiences. Be patient and allow the dog to initiate contact when they're ready. 10. Consistency. Consistency is key. Visit or interact with the dog regularly so they become accustomed to your presence. Remember that every dog is unique, and the process may vary based on their temperament and past experiences. Always respect the dog's comfort level and boundaries.